This is an introduction for the Colorist from Adobe Illustrator. With Colorist, you can make it more efficient and precise workflow to control your colors. Let me show you a couple of examples of how you can use Colorist. After installation, you'll find Colorist from the Window, Extensions, Colorist. There are 3 different tools in Colorist: Tweaker, Randomizer, and Setter. Let's see the Tweaker tool first. Here is a simple mobile UI concept where we want to find good colors. Select items from your canvas, select type of items that you want to be affected, fill, stroke, or text. Select a tolerance value between 0 and 255. I guess you already guessed that those numbers came from RGB values. Colorist logic is based on the RGB channel values, so one tolerance value is a 1 step in RGB values. Adjust all channels to get brighter or darker colors, or just one single channel to get more red, green, or blue color to your items. There is also a function to adjust brightness and saturation values of your colors. Remember that these 2 functions use percentages in their values, so 10 tolerance value means 10% in brightness or saturation. As you can see, it's easy to make precise color tweaking and much more faster than open color menus and clicking here and there. Here is another example with many icons. Some of those icons have borders and some not. Same with the fill colors. As we all know, it can be frustrating to set border colors to all items at the same time because it affects other items that do not have borders. Colorist is pretty good in these kind of cases. You just select what type of element you want to affect, and only it will be colored. It won't add border or fills to elements that do not have them. That's the Tweaker tool in its simplicity. Now, let's look at the Randomizer tool. Randomizer is a great way to achieve random colors to your palette. Here is a simple logo that you're designing. You're fed up with the colors and you want to get more ideas for it. Randomizer is a nice way to just click around and get different colors for your artwork. Randomness is even more powerful when you have a range of control values. With defining range for your random values, you can get even more control. So with controlling range, we can achieve random colors between minimum and maximum values. You can only get dark colors or just stick with light colors and keep clicking to find suitable base colors to start with. Then, you can move on to the Tweaker tool and make precise color tweaking on those colors. Here is an abstract artwork where you want to test out some random colors. Just select items from your artwork and start to randomize colors. There is a way to randomize only the selected channel. Holding Control while clicking, you can get only colors of that channel. Like here, only red, green, or blue colors. Or you can just play around with grayscale colors. Remember that you can also limit coloring to selected parts of your items as in the Tweaker tool. So you can limit coloring to fill, border, or text items. There are also custom colors options that work with the Setter module. So let's move on to the Setter tool. Setter tool is meant to be used in picking and setting colors process. As we noticed before, sometimes it's hard to set color only on the borders or fills in Illustrator. In Setter, you can just pick colors from the selected items. Then, select one of the picked colors and set it to the chosen items and their colors. Easy as that. You can even choose colors from different documents and build a nice color palette for your usage. After you have nice colors in Setter, you can use them to randomize only between selected colors. Pick the colors that you want to use. Then, go to Randomizer and click Custom Colors. Now it's picking only colors that you've selected in Setter. Awesome, isn't it? Hope you'll find Colorist useful in your workflow and making and controlling colors a little easier, faster, and more fun.